My dog woke up this morning and told me she was craving some cheese. For some reason, the bag we had was completely empty, so I decided to make some. I started off by boiling half a gallon of skim milk and stirring it. Once everything was boiling, I added lime juice and some salt. I kept stirring until curds formed and put it all in a strainer to drain. Then I wrapped it in cheesecloth, put a heavy weight over it, and left it for half the day. Once I got back, I cut it into strips, then baked it in my oven at the lowest temperature for 45 minutes, then let it continue drying for another day. These chews were amazing, and of course my dog wanted another one.